Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I am getting ready for going out, as I often do in these videos. I like to look pretty for the outside world. I like to remember that I can glam myself up for any occasion. And today we are using the Mcgrath Mothership 9 Utopian Dream Palette. And I haven't used this in a while. And it's farkin' gorgeous. Farkin' gorgeous it is. And I'm going to make a beautiful look with this. What shall we start with? We'll start with this beautiful pink color here. And put that in my crease. It's so pretty. I'm going for a nude, kind of natural, with a pop of something kind of look. And this is a great palette to do that with. I've had it for a while. And, you know, I just don't reach for some of my palettes like I do other palettes. And I went really heavy on this left eye, so I need to blend that the hell out. Blend it out. Much better. I think I still need to go a little bit heavier over here. That looks about right. That looks about right. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So many pretty colors. I'm gonna go in with this kind of biscuit brown. I don't know if it's a biscuit brown, but it's a brown color. And I'm gonna put that on the outside corner and into the crease a little bit to add some dimension. So pretty. And Pat McGrath's quality is just really great. And it's just a shame that I don't use these palettes more than I do. Looking very natural and fancy. My last name is Delancey. It's not really, I just am making rhymes. Just blending things out. Because I like to look homogeneous. I think I'm going to go into this for my inner corner. And that's very pretty. You get a little bit more on there. That looks beautiful. Now I'm going to go with a little pop, a little shimmer in the middle. And I think I'm going to use, oh, it's so hard to choose. Which one should I choose? Do. Let's go gold. Oh, that's so pretty. Beautimous. I have to do a couple little layers of it. It's quite delicate. That is a gorgeous, farkin' gorgeous. That's my little Irish saying, farkin' gorgeous. This is beautiful packaging as well. So I'm going to now do some eyeliner with Stila Stay All Day. It's a brand new one my friend Ashley sent me for a present. I love presents. Is that black? Yeah, it's black. Hell yeah, it's black. My favorite kind of eyeliner. Black felt tip. And I have hooded eyes, so this is a lot of fun to open up my hooded eyes. I went a little ham with the eyeliner. I did it on each side so it wouldn't look so weird. And I got this great mascara from Estee Lauder. It is fantastic. It is called Turbo Lash High Powered Volume and Length Mascara. I really like it. I've only used it once, so this is my second time using it. So I'm very excited. And it's a nice formula. It's got a great looking brush. But it really grabs the lashes and does some stuff. Makes it look like I actually have lashes, which is impressive. You can actually see my lashes, which is unusual, because I tortured my eyelashes with extensions a few years ago, and they still haven't fully recovered. And yeah, I've tried to use serums and stuff to grow my lashes out, but I always forget after a while. I feel pretty. I feel pretty, witty, and gay, and I pity anyone that doesn't feel this way. This looks like a great look. I'm going to use a nice new lip, which is Seductress number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. The best bargain in lipstick. There's a hair that's out in the way. And it looks great. So that's my look with the Mothership number 9. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.